Hi.
Hi.
How do you feel? We're going.
Amazing.
Woo!
Excited.
Yay! So we're finally off. And can't wait to go. So we're finally on the ship place. And guess what? And not only that, it's actually started raining. So woo! Good to go. Yeah, but what are we doing here? Casually just resting my leg on him.
Waiting for the gate to open so we can board the plane.
So flexing your muscles, yeah, put them down in it. Stupid. This is what I'm saying. Chilling, innit?
Yo,
Let's go up his nostrils. So we're just about to go on the plane now, 10 years later. Can't wait. Yep, we're finally here, and actually the hotel looks really, really nice. It's so nice and posh. So we're just like casually sitting in the waiting room. Morning! We're out for breakfast now. Coming to eat Marvin. It's like a tour bus sort of thing. So we're just waiting for the bus, and it's at 10 o'clock. So we just had a breakfast in the hotel, and then we're gonna go catch the Dubai Mall. We're here after the day with me. Yeah, and then we're gonna catch a bus to Dubai Mall, and then we go to Dubai Mall. We're gonna check everything out. So yeah, it should be exciting. And then after that, we're gonna go probably check Jumeirah Beach. I think that's the plan for today.
Guess what?
What's up?
You're cute.
Huh?
You're cute.
Oh yeah, that's the plan for today.
Yeah, she's blushing, 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 blushing.
Should I say?
Peace.
Ciao, I'm leaving here. That's the tallest building, if you guys can see it in the background. I'm so excited!
Oh, hell to the yeah. Haha,
Filming you, you're filming me. Snap!
you're right.
Oh, look at that! It's kind of funky, isn't it?
Funkypigeon.com.
I'm so excited!
Hell to the yeah. Haha, my camera's better.
My camera's better, forget him.
Ah, you're right.
Taking his photos like the classic. Come on, babe. Babe, we're not moving back to the UK, are we?
Nope. We're staying here.
Hell no.
Look at that. Take a picture of that.
Guys.
We're entering Dubai Mall. Oops, shit. You got hit by the thing. Ooh, it's really nice. That's so cool. Look at that big shot. That's so cool.
So basically, we just decided to get a drink. It is baking. Even in the mall. Is that horrible?
Right.
Is it nice? Nice, horrible?
Right,
What is it? Okay, basically, I'm just gonna update. Basically, we came to the mall because, well, I needed a drink and I was getting dehydrated and I didn't have much for breakfast, did I?
Yeah, because you don't like anything. And your healthy diet.
Yeah, and it's really hot, so I'm not used to this weather as such. But you're okay with the weather, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I just feel like so. I got the pacifier, which is like passion fruit, orange, and apple. Which one is yours?
Dragon fruit
Which is
and all your fruits where you got together as well.
so it's a dragon fruit, so it's got everything inside. So he's a dragon.
Dragon.
Mine is just like some
Yo,
pacifier.
safe it.
Nom 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 nom. Let me try it. I'm in heaven right now because there is Sephora here, and we haven't got Sephora in the UK. So literally, I am going crazy, and I'm dragging him. Come on. Okay. Anyways, we're just casually sitting down because we've been walking for a good 2 hours. This Dubai mall is crazy because it's massive.
Huge.
So big. It's actually so big. Like literally, you can't. Like, we've walked for 2 hours. It's crazy. I bought the shades and I really like it. They look like this.
Let me zoom in.
Look cool, babe. Yeah, so that's the shades. Does it suit me?
I love this camera, man.
Does it suit me?
Yeah, it does. Trust me.
So yeah. So I bought those shades and that's it. So we're just chilling for a bit. And then we might go and get some lunch later. So it should be interesting. I want to take Adol to a nice Lebanese restaurant. Hey?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Lebanese restaurant, so that should be good. So we're just having like a 5-minute sit down because the shop never ends. For some reason, this mall never ends.